So, good morning classmates. Again, warm welcome to you at the residential DAPS online classes. So, let me repeat again YouTube links. Here it is, DAPS School Space Purnia. So, today I shall start the chemistry sections, chapter 1, and the name of the chapter 1 is synthetic fiber and plastics. So, dearest friend, as we all know what exactly fiber means, because you have been already introduced about this fiber term in previous classes. Means what is the fiber and how fabric is made of from fiber. Means what are the procedures, and we have already known means what are the types of the fiber too. So, dearest friend, for the basic knowledge purpose, I have again just reviewed those terms. So, let us see. What is a fiber? Fiber is nothing else but a thin. Thin means very breakable, you can break, very thin, elongated and thread-like materials, which is used to make up fabric of different clothes, is known as fiber. Fiber may be artificial or natural one. If we obtain the fiber from the natural sources like either plants or animals, then that fiber is said to be natural, and the fiber which is obtained in laboratory after taking the many chemicals, petrochemicals by the scientist, so such fiber is known as artificial or man-made or synthetic fiber. So, dearest friends, so there are two types of fiber we have already known and we know already, and they are natural fiber and number 2 synthetic fiber. Now, what do you mean by natural fiber? Natural fiber are those fiber which are obtained directly from the natures, either from the plants or the animals. Here you can see the fiber which are obtained from the plants material or animals, means wool or the hairs or the furs. These all are known as natural fiber. Example, you can get cotton, wool, silk, fur, hairs, etc. Now, synthetic fiber, how can you define synthetic fiber? Simply those fibers which are made by the human beings or the man or the scientist in a laboratory by using some chemicals, and these chemicals may be petrochemicals. Means you have to understand synthetic fiber are man-made fibers which are made or obtained after synthesizing the petrochemicals in lab or factories. So, these fibers are said to be synthetic fibers, or man-made fibers, or simply artificial fiber. Example, there are lots of example: polyesters, polythenes, nylon, acrylic, etc. So, these are the name of the synthetic fibers. So, dearest friend, from this topic you have to remember what is fiber. Fiber is nothing else but a thin, elongated and thread-like shape which is used to make up at first thread, and lots of threads are interwoven to produce fabric, and using this fabric we manufacture or we make up our clothing and dresses. So, there are the two types of the fiber so far. They are natural fiber, means obtained from the either the plant sources or animal sources, and number B man-made fiber or synthetic fiber or simply artificial fiber also you can tell, means those fiber which are obtained from the petrochemicals or any other chemicals by synthesizing them in a laboratory by the scientist, group of scientists. These fibers are said to be artificial, man-made or synthetic fiber. Now, which is the first synthetic fiber? Dearest friend, we have already known nylon is the first synthetic fiber ever produced by human beings or by man. Now, first man-made fiber nylon. Okay, remember nylon is the first synthetic fiber and the man-made fiber which was manufactured in the year 1939 by a team of scientists of the famous chemical company E.I. DuPont de Nemours. Exactly, nylons come after the name from the two cities, New York and London. Means NY means New York and LON means London. So means the scientists from New York and London, they combiningly worked very hard and they finally achieved new synthetic fiber or the man-made fiber in the year 1939, and they gave its name as nylon. Means New York and London, because it was manufactured by the scientists from the two different states. Got the point? Now you have to discuss what is monomer. So dear friend, not to forget, each and everything are made up of the tiny particles or the molecules. So simply our fiber is also made up of many tiny particles or the tiny molecules. So a single unit of polymer is known as monomer, right? And when these monomer combines together, means when lots of monomers combine together or link together, then ultimately we call it as a polymer. Polymer means a group of many monomers to produce different fibers, and using this fiber we manufacture our goods, materials or any substances that we require to run our daily lives. So dear student, up to this topic I think you have been well clear. Means from these you have to define, or if somebody asks you what is fiber, you can, and what are the types of fiber, you can give their types and definitions to and examples also. Means what are the examples of the natural fiber, you can. Cotton, silk, wool, it is, and what is synthetic fiber you have to remember, and how it is manufactured from the petrochemicals in a lab by the scientist, right? And some examples you can easily enlist. And from this topic you have to remember which synthetic fiber was the first fiber to manufacture by the human beings. Means you have to write nylon is the first synthetic fiber or the man-made fiber that was manufactured in the year 1939 by the team of scientists from New York and London working in the chemical company known as E.I. DuPont de Nemours. And what is monomer, you have to keep in your mind, and what are polymers.